Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
Well, I needed some work done on the kayak, so I called the kayak worker.
Yeah, right.
He's a master of kayak worker. We finna put an anchor trolley on here. He done tore it open before I show y'all a picture of it, but it's a Yakattak LeverLoc Anchor Trolley. That's the only thing that you can see. Everything else is string. What tools do we need, or does it say?
A little bit.
What size?
1/8 inch.
Need a drill too, I suppose.
Sure. Mark.
That's
Fore and aft pulley hole location.
That's an 1/8 inch rod.
What the fuck's the aft? Trolley line, tail pulley, trolley ring, assemble clamp base and lever lock, padlock, then the screws. What the fuck is pulley holes and drill 1/8 inch how to secure pulleys to the boat with hardware. Number 6, be sure the orange pulley and wheels pointing towards the center of the boat. What is for? Assembly clamp base lever lock. Then the ring.
That feels like asphalt. That is asphalt. That is fucking around.
That's fucking ass.
Come on, sir. That's ice, isn't it? I mean, it's mountain figure it is. That's just, I can hear it hitting the thing, that's mountain. Yeah, that's ice. Probably not.
Mark, fore and aft pulley holes.
Do you know what fore and aft means?
Yeah.
What?
One of them goes right and one of them goes left.
Front and back.
These are your aft pulleys, I guess. That's the only fucking pulley you got. Number 6. Number 6 is 10 by 3/4 inch. Number 10, 3/4 inch. One goes on one side, one goes on the other side.
One goes on one end, one goes on the other end. Right?
That's what you want to do.
That's the way you do it, yeah.
Okay. I got a pen. Figure out where you want it. That's what it says. Mark fore and aft pulley locations and drill with 8-inch drill bit. Secure pulley to the boat with hardware. Number 6. Be sure to orient pulleys with the wheels pointing toward the center of the boat. Might help if I do it like this. Yeah. Let's wad some more shit up.
Might help if he does it how?
Wad shit up from the factory. I got a sharp pocket knife in my pocket.
Yeah, but we don't need to cut that. I don't have any replacements. I do. And it'll work in those tools.
So far, this is working. Look at it go.
You put cornbread on the job, you get the job done.
Alright. Hold that down there where you was talking about putting it. See?
But you got to
Be
lose.
right in that groove. I'd come a little closer if it was me.
Well, about right there. See what that's like.
There you go.
I mean, and you got to realize when
I'm just going off your body bend right here. I'm
Right.
trying to put it right here.
Okay, we'll put it wherever you want to. don't know what I did under that Sharpie.
I got it.
No, it's right there. Get it and mark your spot, and then I'll remark my spot.
That's it.
I'm gonna lay that right there.
That's gonna be right here. Love this East Texas weather.
Yeah.
It was just 80 degrees day before yesterday. Now it's sleeting.
Yeah.
That's gonna be in here. Yeah. Now, Phil.
Now what I could do is buy another one, put it on the other side, and I could have like a spotlight.
I'm not gonna tighten it all the way up.
You gonna go ahead and drill that one, or you gonna come back here and drill this one first?
Well, I was kind of wanting to see which way I needed to point it.
Right.
It don't tell you all that in these janky ass instructions.
No.
Old hand knot in it, but I'd string it before I tied any knots in it. What is that? It's supposed to be in this. But which way does it go? It goes up, like that. Says tie overhand trolley line and thread completely through the face of the trolley ring. Thread trolley line through the bottom of the forward pulley, then back to the aft, which is back there. Oh, I see. I see.
Where do these go?
Oh no, yet. I didn't make that one.
I do. Somewhere like right here.
Probably. You probably just for, you probably don't even need them. If it rides right there, I wouldn't worry about it.
Yeah.
Or,
I won't fit in that. We'll probably eliminate it.
what this is going to do, and I don't know where it needs to be.
Well, towards the end, at the end of the day, it needs to be right here.
Right.
To start with, where I can put my anchor through it.
What it's saying is do this.
That's gonna go on the bottom line. But I mean, you gotta have.
I'm not going to tie it tight. That's how I do it. That's going to go like this.
Yeah.
See? Then it's going to come back up through that.
Right.
That's your stop.
Right. That's how I unlock it and lock it. Yeah. Okay, so let's run it through.
What gets me is,
So once you get that
you got
placed,
it way
you
down
just want
here.
to drill
Yeah, but I
your
don't
holes.
want
Okay.
Once you have that one tightened up,
That's not the top of the line though.
make sure it's straight.
Because I went
Like you
down
drew near
through.
the hole.
Here, don't try and that. I'm gonna fix it.
No, I had it right back there.
What's it make a difference? Just leave it like it is, okay? Trust me. I got this figured out. You're gonna make it way more complicated.
He said to go down through the pulley, and I went down through the pulley.
Yeah, and you needed to come up through the pulley on the other end. That's the only way that works. What are you doing? Why are you doing that?
I thought you was going to come up through this pulley.
We're right now, Cornbread. That's going to be your top, and that's going to be your bottom all the way through. And you're going to come down here.
I don't think so. Hey, where you going to drop anchor at?
Through that. We're just tying a simple overhand knot
Okay.
to hold shit right. Not holding the foot down.
And run it right there where the lever went. Okay, it goes
Like
like
it?
that.
Yeah.
Why don't you want that to fall out?
About right there. Still, right below the chine. And right in front of my
He's
hand.
saying right there.
Yeah, but I ain't got no
So once you
feel
get
for
that
it.
placed, you just want to drill your holes.
That's pretty right there.
Once you have that one tightened up, make sure you're straight.
Here.
Go ahead and drill your other hole.
Pretty straight. I used to get like this. What screws do I use for that?
Heating truck.
It's got to be these little small ones you got there.
Then tighten it. Now the way this works, pull this lever, it locks the lever. Now the next step is to determine about the halfway point in between your pulley and your lever lock.
That's it.
What's it? How you what?
Oh, I think we fucked up. Should have went higher.
How much higher could we go?
Well, it's going to have to be like that. Under you.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay. Look straight to you.
Look straight. Oh, we've been recording 87 hours. Cornbread, how hard was that when we quit overthinking it?
Yeah, it wasn't hard at all.
And we watched a YouTube video. But that's just, I mean, they just show you in that picture to make it look funny, right? You know, look good. Like it is, you just hook that anchor line through here.
I guarantee you that's the hook. Where this is going.
Yeah, I mean, if you want it. But
Right.
I don't. Okay, I gotta go get her. Alright, if y'all enjoyed me and Cornbread, little 15-minute project running into an hour, like, share, subscribe. Hey, we'll get spies in the house.